Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. We have reviewed quite a few true wireless earphones on our channel, and some of you asked me to review the Crossbeats earphones. And finally I was able to get my hands on the Crossbeats Urban truly wireless earbuds. Starting with the unboxing, you have the model name here with the earbuds, and they are the true wireless earphones with the noise cancellation. At the back of the box we have some of the key features, such as it comes with the Bluetooth 5.0, voice assistant support, noise cancellation, IPX6 water resistant, you get the 18 hours of battery backup, and you can use these earphones for stereo calling. Now let's open the box and see the content. The packaging and the box design is really good, and here on the top we get this warranty card which you need to activate, and you also get 3 months of Gaana Music app subscription for free. And then in the box we have the charging case itself, which has the earbuds inside. My first impression about the case is that it's very compact, and to be honest, it's the smallest charging case I have seen till now for a stereo 2 wireless earbuds. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get one more box here, and inside it we have the user manual, 2 pairs of extra ear tips, and then the micro USB charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Starting with the charging case, the size of the case is small and compact, but the build quality is really good. You get the rubberized texture on the whole case, and because of the size and design, it's really easy to carry this case in your pocket. The door of the case also opens quite easily, and overall, I find the quality of this product really good. Now looking at the earbuds, the design is different, and you get this unique design of the earbuds, and like the charging case, the build quality of the earbuds also feels premium. In terms of the overview, on the charging case we have the micro USB charging port, and then in the front we have the 4 charging LED lights. Now looking at the earbuds, you get the mic on both the earbuds, and you get this physical button on them. One thing which I really like about these earbuds, that because of the design, it's really easy to press this button. You can also use different button press combination, and it will not give you that uncomfortable feeling, which we have seen with most of the true wireless earbuds with the physical button. Now let's pair them with our phone and we'll see how is the performance. So pairing is really easy, just take both the earbuds out of the case and you will see the blinking LED light. And now they're ready to pair with your phone. And here you can see the Crossbeats Urban on our list, and that's it, they're paired with our phone. In terms of the audio codec, you get the AAC HD codec support in them. Now let's play some music and we'll see how's the sound quality. So first of all, I had to switch to the large ear tips to get the proper snug fit, so make sure you use the correct size ear tips. And guys, one thing I immediately noticed, that the earbuds are really lightweight and they are very comfortable to use, and you will not face any discomfort using these earbuds for long hours. Now about the performance and the sound quality, you get the perfect isolation, you get good bass, crystal clear vocals, and good instrument separation with these earbuds. The volume on these earbuds are also pretty high, and yes, you will not get any distortions or issues using these earbuds at high volume. Overall, I find the sound quality pretty good. You get thumpy bass, which most people like in the earphones. In terms of the button operation, single press will pause and play music, double press the button on the right earbud will change the song, double press the button on the left earbud will play the previous song, triple press on the right earbud will allow you to increase volume, triple press on the left earbud will decrease the volume. You also get the voice assistant support in these earbuds, and if you press and hold the button on any of the earbud for 2 seconds, it will enable Google Assistant or Siri. In terms of the performance, there is no lag while watching videos and movies with them, and approximately half a second lag while gaming, so we do not recommend them for gaming, especially for PUBG and Call of Duty. But yes, if you do casual gaming, then these earphones are good for them. In terms of the mic performance, you can take the stereo calls with these earbuds, but the mic clarity is just decent. It's better than the other true wireless earbuds, but the other person on the call will hear some echo when you use these earbuds. Now lastly about the battery, you get the 55 mAh battery in each of the earbud and 700 mAh battery in the charging case, which is really surprising as the charging case is really compact. And about the usage, you get approximately 3 to 4 hours of playback time in one single charge. And with the charging case, you will get additional 18 hours of playback time. So overall, Crossbeats Urban offers unique design and amazing build quality. They're really comfortable to use, and most importantly, the sound quality is really good. You get good bass from them, and the clarity is also pretty good. These earbuds are also IPX6 water resistant, which means you can use them in any condition, and they are dust and waterproof. I'm also happy with the connectivity, and the range is quite impressive as well. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a premium true wireless earbuds with amazing sound and build quality, then we highly recommend you to check out the Crossbeats Urban. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then don't forget to check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Crossbeats Urban true wireless earphones. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us your favorite feature of these earbuds in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.